Hello YouTube. I'm doing a tool cart tour of my tool cart. This is my old Cobalt one, and this is my newer Snap-on one. Let the tour begin. This is the top. I usually keep my sockets up here. My standard or my metrics are over here. Over here I got my pry bars, my flashlight, my little thumb ratchets, my little 1/4 inch standard socket set from Mac, my extensions. Majority of these are SK tools. I just upgraded from my old set, and just haven't quite put them in the test yet as far as if they're worth it or not. I've never really had an issue in the past using SKs or even Craftsman or Cobalts or Blackhawk tools, but I'm still a firm believer on having a quality tool, hand tool that's made in the USA. I mean, I'm not saying everything in this box is made in the USA, but again, I prefer to grab a US made ratchet and socket, wrenches. You know, majority of my hand tools I like using them. Here's my flashlights for when I do traffic control or when I'm working underneath one of the town trucks. Again, I got, you'll see I got glow sticks. Again, if I have to make attention to other drivers while I'm out on the road at night and my batteries or my flashlights decide not to work, I still use them. Again, I like this set so far. Again, these are my 1/2 inch drive, deep, standard, deep and shallow, 3/8 deep and shallow, a 1/4 inch deep and shallow. Got some spark plug sockets in here. That's where I keep my 1/4 inch drive extensions. I got a universal in there. This is my magnetic pickup bars. One's a little nice and a little stout. This is my little flexible one. My little inspection mirror. Here's my metrics, 1/2 inch drive, deep and shallow. Here's my 3/8 drives, deep and shallow. Here's my metric 1/4 inch drives, deep and shallow. Here's my little metric Mac set. Nice little handy little set. My work light. Here's my extensions for my 3/8 drive, my universal. Here's my Wobble Plus from Snap-on. Here's my ratchets, my 1/2 inch drives, so my 3/8 drives, and my 1/4 inch drive ratchet, my little sliding T or sliding handle, little breaker bar. I like that little. This one right here is a Mustang brand, built back in the 60s. Still works like a champ. It's my little go-to, and I can't find my ratchet, or someone's grabbed it. This is my standard wrenches. Here's my flare wrenches. Here's my little Blackhawk set. I like the set. It works good. I've had this for quite a few years. Here's my screwdriver drawer. It ain't much, but again, kind of like the fact I got them organized, and now I keep them under lock and key. You know, my screwdrivers don't come up missing. My Allen wrenches. These two right here are standard, and barely see it, but it's my metric. My little pick set, lockout, tag out. My 5/16 nut driver. I call this my metric drawer set. Here's my flare wrenches, channel locks, my little crescent wrench, channel locks, again pliers, my wire cutters. I call this my hammer drawer, going from 8 ounces all the way to 32. My non-marring hammers, mallet, my brass punches. My punches, it's a nice little set from SK. There's like a chisel and center punch. My gasket scraper, my file, my sharpened blades. This is my impact drawer. Half-inch drive, Milwaukee, my 3/8 drive Milwaukee, my Craftsman air impact, still works. I've had this for going on 6 years. Still works like a champ. A little universal, shallows, 3/8 drive, my 1/2-inch extension, and my 1/2-inch deep standard. Again, still working like a champ. This is my metric deep 3/8 drive impact. Well, odds and ends of sockets that don't have a home for it yet, but plan on doing a little bit of something. Now, here's my little extensions for my 3/8 drive. This is my voltmeters. This is my old one. I got this from a pawn shop. I like it. Still works like a champ. I got a new one right here. I used it a couple times, but it's got all the connectors that, you know, this didn't have when I bought it. Drill bits. More drill bits. My big drill bit for running wire. Paper, clipboard. When I write a note, or have to write something down or draw pictures. My spare road guard vest. My bit set. Right here is my brake tool set. My die grinders. I got to get ends for them. I can't wait to start using them. My battery charger for my impacts, and my flashlight charger. My tape measure, speed squares, and really hope you like this video. My goal is to do some 2 reviews, and because I got other stuff I like to show and share. And hit like And I guess make your comment below of what I can do to improve on my videos. Take care, have a nice day, and have a safe one.